Hi, everybody. It's Dr. Wendy O'Connor. This is my first Facebook Live. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Twitter, and yep, I'm trying this for the first time. I do a lot of social networking, but just getting comfortable in my therapy chair. And today I wanted to title this quick little video, 5 fun, creative ways to have a great weekend. So feel free to write a comment or email me. What is it? Email, text, comment. I don't even know who's watching. I think there's maybe a few people watching. Okay, so welcome. Again, I'm Dr. Wendy O'Connor from Los Angeles, California, and I'm a therapist. I'm a certified life coach, and I am an expert with technology and relationships. So, but today we're going to talk about how to have fun on the weekend. A lot of people don't have any idea. They say, oh my gosh, you know, I don't know what to do over the weekend. And hey, how are you? Nice to have you join us. So yeah, a lot of people don't know what to do over the weekend. So I was thinking, let me just give people some suggestions that I often give my clients. So one thing that I say is find something of interest, anything at all. So, you know, some people have, let's see, oh, thank you. That's very nice. I never saw that before. So it's kind. Some people have, you know, things of interest. So like running or yoga or riding horses. So it's important to find something that you like. And so find something of interest. That is number one, something of interest. So let's see. Number 2, I don't know if you all are familiar with Groupon or Social Living, or is it called Living Social? And that is a wonderful website where you can get some great ideas and go on to Groupon and look up anything that will have good ideas for you. And sometimes they just come up, and there might be like food tasting, there might be rock climbing. They're really creative ways for you all to get inspired. So interest and Groupons are number 2. And number 3, so I say get out of your comfort zone. It's very, very important to have someone help you if you can't do it yourself. Sometimes people struggle with social anxiety or, you know, just get a little nervous. And so it's important to step out of your comfort zone. So that way you might want to try something new. And you can try a different area. Sometimes you can drive like an hour away. You can do something that you totally wouldn't do, but get out of your comfort zone. Maybe a friend has done something and you say, you know what, I'm going to try that. And then you might draw a picture. You might take ceramics class, basket weaving. You might want to try like a jogging class. Go to the beach. Often I'll tell people that volunteering is really wonderful. You can go to a website called volunteer.com, and that's a great way to get some more ideas on how to find something interesting for you to do. And there's always work to do in life, so volunteering is wonderful. Let's see, trying something new we talked about, and self-care. Self-care is like the most important thing. So that is even like if you want to get a manicure, if you want to get a pedicure, if you want to get a, I don't know, self-care, a massage. Sometimes people just want to get a haircut. Doesn't necessarily mean external, doesn't have to be, you know, whiten the teeth or get a tan, do your hair. It can be as simple as going to the doctor for a checkup to make sure, well, you wouldn't do that on a Friday or Saturday. That'd be weird. Yeah, don't do that. But, you know, a massage, what else would be self-care? Exercising, meditation. There's all these wonderful mindfulness courses. You can go online and take a course. So those are my things that I find fun as an adult. However, I love my teenager, and he came up with a couple interesting things as well. So I'm going to share them with you. So my teenager said, go to a movie. That would be fun. So I think that's fun for an adult or a teenager. Thrifting. Now thrifting is big, 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 big. A lot of people like to go to different thrift stores in different areas. Here in Los Angeles, we go to downtown, we go to Pasadena, we go to Beverly Hills, we go to Pacific Palisades, Malibu, all around Los Angeles. And he finds the coolest things ever, from computers to, what else did he find? Just really awesome things, decorations for his room, or old school posters, stereos, and definitely some really cool things to wear. So thrifting is a big one, and you might want to think about that. It's really fun. Just wash your hands when you're done with the place, because there's just used objects and it might not be the cleanest, but you could definitely really find some very nice interesting things to even talk about. So that might be even a fun date. You wouldn't think of it to be a date, but I'm telling you that might be a good conversation starter. Let's see, what else? Oh, he said you can go to a club. What else did Christopher say? You can eat candy. You could eat candy. I guess that would be fun for a Friday night. I don't know how much candy you want to eat, but eating candy on a Friday and Saturday night, yeah, I could see that that could be fun. What else did he say? Go to the mall. That is his #1 thing. He and his friends, they all love to go to the mall. But I will say, if you're single, or even if you're just bored and you want to get out by yourself, going to a mall is very interesting, and it's great people watching. So going to a mall could be fun. Let's see, what else did he say? You can hang out with your friends. That's a good one. Some people struggle and say that they don't have a lot of social interaction. They don't have a lot of friends. So don't be frustrated if you feel overwhelmed or like, oh my gosh, I don't have friends. Don't worry, because you can always make them. There are groups all the time going on in wherever you live. We live in Los Angeles, but you can make friends. There's meetup.com. I know some people use that. And again, Groupons have group things to do. No pun. Groupon. Thought that was funny. So anyway, what else did he say? Hang out with friends, watch TV, take a nap. Yeah, you could do those things. I guess teenagers really like to kick back, chill out. Adults like to do that too. Let's see. Oh, this was interesting. He said, touch your dog. And I said, touch your dog. And he said, yeah, like poke and play with your dog or your animals and see if they do something funny. And that was his top 5. That might be more than 5. But anyway, there are lots of things to do. And if you really don't know what to do at any stage, whether you're a teenager, a young adult, or older, the mature type, you can always go to museums. You can always connect with nature. And I know that sounds really kind of spiritual and crunchy granola-ish, vegan, vegetarian, which I'm not, but I'm going to post about that another time. I'm not anymore. But, connecting with nature is a wonderful way. So there's parks, there's rivers, there's hiking, there's biking, there's the ocean. Connecting with nature is very, very important, and psychologically it really helps to soothe your spirit and calm your soul. So that's why mindfulness is very important. The 2 apps I'm going to suggest for this weekend that a lot of people like, calm.com or Headspace. Those are 2 mindfulness apps. I don't get paid to recommend them. I'm just telling you what a lot of people find helpful. So that's why I like to share with you all. So yeah, Headspace and calm.com is a wonderful, those are great apps. And those teach you things like deep breathing, visualization, affirmations. So that is my 5 fun, creative ways to have a wonderful weekend. So have fun. I'll be back probably Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm going to try to do this. Not sure when, but when I know, I let you know. And if you want any topics, please let me know. You can text me, or you can email me at Dr. Wendy O'Connor. That's drwendyo'connor@gmail.com. And I have a website, and my website is drwendyo'connor.com. And I have an Instagram, and it's I am Dr. Wendy, and I have a Twitter. And I like to put out really good information so that all my people find it very helpful. So have a wonderful weekend, and I might be back in a little bit. All right, you guys, and if you know me, one of the things that I often say is stay open, because a lot of people get very overwhelmed and they don't feel that they can kind of break out of their shell, and I am here to support you and be creative and let you know that there are many ways that if you feel stuck, you can get unstuck. And if you feel overwhelmed or anxious, there are definitely things to do to help. So again, I'm Dr. Wendy O'Connor. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend and stay open. Bye, guys.